Okay guys, so good afternoon. This is our education video, my first education video, and this will be a chapter 1 for the education, and I will share to you guys what I do before I started my daily trading. Okay, I will show you the things I do before I start into the market. Alright, first of all, I'm doing is I want to know where the direction will going for today. Right, this is an example. Where is the direction? I want to know where is the direction will going, or maybe highest time frame, which is a weekly first. Right, so for now we didn't have any near zone because the price is only crazy. Just take a look. Alright, just take a look. First of all, I will open. So we got a signal here, the resistance level breakout and the support level. So we just mark. Okay, not sure how we're going to line. So this to sell, and then we move to the lower time frame, which is a daily. So if you guys can see here, got some. So this is our nearest. So we just take a daily and just remove the weekly. But the daily already can break that zone. We focus on weekly. Alright, one by one, okay? Just focus on one by one. So this is our support level, and this is our breakout or resistance. Okay, so we just mark that zone. Alright, so for now we go move to the another. Candlestick to see what we got. Okay, so this is our uptrend. This is our uptrend. This is our lower high, lower low. Okay. Alright, this is uptrend. Okay. So now this is making for Monday. Okay. You can see that on the daily and weekly still didn't have any zone, any near zone. So we got on H4. So we just mark on H4. Okay, we mark this support. This is our nearest support, okay? And then this support. And then this is here, okay? Just put in here 4 bucks. Alright. Okay. We mark the support first. This is our nearest from the current market price. Okay, always remember you just mark the nearest. Okay. So this support. Precise on the candlestick after this. Okay, so you open the candlestick and precise the zone. Okay, I will take a shadow. So this is the zone for the Monday market open. This near the zone that we will monitor. Alright. So now what we will do. Alright. So there is two possibility that we just wait. If price keep flying, we just wait for the another zone, or we just waiting the price come to pull back here and make a confirmation and we entry buy in that zone. Or if price can solid break this zone, we just waiting for this zone. But if this zone can be solid breakout, all the way we just focus on sell until here. Right? We just focus on sell until here. But if price still respect this zone and rejected this zone, we will entry buy. Alright, this is simple. That's a simple. The direction is always focus on SNR. One by one zone SNR. Okay? So if price break this zone, where is the nearest zone? Here. So price will falling until here. But if price can be breakout here and rejected, that we will entry buying here because the price still respect this zone. Understand? It's a simple logic, right? If you can see clearly the SNR, just open a line chart. Just mark the nearest resistance or support level or the breakout zone. Okay? So this is how I know the direction. This is how I mark my zone every day. It's a simple, just using a SNR technique only. Okay guys, so that's all. If you got any question or you want more education video, you just can text my admin, my nurse, and just tell her what do you want for the next video. Okay, bye bye, see you on Monday.